Hello. In this video, I will show you how you can make and receive phone calls on your Chinese smartwatch, no matter what application your watch is using. The first step is to connect the watch to your phone using the recommended app for the watch. Scan the QR code on the watch and install the application. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. My smartwatch is using the FitCloudPro Pro application. If your watch is using any other application like Hryfine, DaFit, etc., you can find videos on my channel on how to connect for these apps. Next step is to swipe up or swipe down depending on your smartwatch model and turn on Bluetooth calling. The third and last step is to connect your watch to your phone in the Bluetooth setting on your phone, as you would do, for example, for a Bluetooth speaker. Now, you can make and receive phone calls on your smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.